Another episode of the Bird Bros.
Go bird or go home.
The Bird Bros.
The Bird Bros. We're at Presqu'ile Provincial Park and water levels are high.
Yep, located in the town of Brighton, just off Lake Ontario.
But the Bird Bros don't give up.
The water levels are 4 feet higher than normal.
This used to be a beach. Now it is just a swampy pond.
This is a male breeding Bonaparte's gull. Look at that black head.
Named after Napoleon Bonaparte.
That's an interesting fact, Sean. I didn't know that.
Napoleon was a small man. And the seagull is small as well.
Yes. It reaches its adult plumage within 2 years. And this here is female Bonaparte's gull.
It's got like dot on the side of its head, real faint. Here we got a lesser yellow legs.
Yep. Slightly smaller than the greater yellow legs, but still pretty large for a shorebird nonetheless.
Wow, it's quick. These guys here feeding on the shore that's been flooded.
The lesser yellow legs is smaller than the greater yellow legs, but its legs are still yellow.
Semi-palliated sandpiper. Say that 3 times fast. Semi-palliated sandpiper, semi-palliated sandpiper, semi-palliated sandpiper.
I can't even do it once.
I surprised myself there. Note the black legs and the black straight bill. And this is the semi-palliated plover.
I heard that semi-palliated means that the webbings between their toes don't go all the way to the ends.
That's right, Sean. The webbing goes halfway up their toes.
Choo!
And this here is your least sandpiper. Looks a lot like the semi-palliated blah 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 sandpiper, but has yellow legs and a downward curved bill. But a totally different species.
Oh, frogs. Is this a leopard frog?
It's more pronounced leopard frog.
What's that, Sean?
Here's a dragonfly. I wonder what other dragonflies will see.
Kick ass. What you got going on there, buddy? Oh, there's a eastern kingbird.
Oh, eastern kingbirds.
Yeah, just chirping away. Note the white tip on the end of the tail and the white breast. Regular species here in Ontario during the summer months. Oh, and what's that sound, Sean?
Sounds like a indigo bunting.
Oh yeah, there it is up in the tree.
Whoa, that bird is all blue. That bird's all blue, but not a bluebird.
Yeah, that's your male indigo bunting there. All blue. Singing away.
And it's gone.
And there's your monarch butterfly. During migration.
These guys migrate everywhere.
What a beautiful butterfly. I love butter.
Butterflies.
Flies.
Oh, looks like there's a flicker of something there in that tree.
Yeah, man, that's the northern flicker.
Flicker?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
There's a northern flicker there.
Yeah. You can tell this is a young one because it kind of looks fresh.
The feathers are more down-ish.
You got your black-bellied plover here. You can tell that the difference. You can tell the difference between the black-bellied plover and the American golden plover, because the black-bellied plover under tail coverts, the white feathers under the tail, are all white.
Oh, what's that? Looks like a greater yellow legs.
Yes, if you can tell, the bill slightly sloped upward.
Upturned, so they say.
You got it.
Here's a damselfly with black wings.
Is it in distress?
A great white egret. This bird's almost as big as a great blue heron.
And very white, with a green patch around their eye, and their yellow bill with a bit of black on the top part.
This bird's always a fun sight in Ontario.
Always makes me smile.
Oh, look at the lighthouse. This is a Caspian tern. It's one of the biggest terns. Actually, it is the biggest tern.
Yep. The main difference between a Caspian tern and a common tern is the black legs on the Caspian tern, opposed to orange legs like on the common tern.
And here's a dead Caspian tern.
Ew.
Here we are at the visitor center at Presqu'ile Provincial Park.
And they got quite the display of stuffed birds and animals.
Dead birds.
Kind of gross, but kind of interesting.
Common loon. Here we got a snowy owl, a great horned owl, and a barred owl.
They almost don't look real. All sorts of nifty stuff.
Hey, didn't we see a northern flicker earlier?
Sure did there, bud. There's your golden eagle.
Not gold. Hey, the Bird Bros.
The Bird Bros.
Check us out.
And let's get an ice cream.
Oh, look at that ice cream.
You saved it.
Say,
Well, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching this episode of the Bird Bros. Do us a favor and smash that like button.
do us a favor and subscribe. Even if that ice cream fell on the ground,
He would have ate it.
I would have ate it.
He would have ate it.
Ice cream does not go to waste.
That's what a guy with a rat tail would say, and that's what a guy with a rat tail did say.